Hello, welcome, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this short sound demo video for one of the drums that we have on our Etsy shop, and it's for this beautiful drum just here. Now this is an 18-inch horse skin drum. It's on an ash wood frame. If I turn it over, here we go. You can see we've got some hazel branch handles here, trimmed with some leather, and this is ragwool. This is Indian ragwool around the circle there for decoration, and I've left some just flowing off at the end there on the knot to allow you to attach, well, feathers or anything that you would like to, really, or just leave it as it is. It's rather pretty as it is. On the inside of the frame here I've put Driftwood Hollow Drums, which is my maker's mark. More importantly, I put the date of birth, which is the 22nd of March 2022 in Knighton, Powys, the UK, and that is to allow you to be able to make a birth chart for the drum, find out the astrological aspects and the energies around on the day when the drum was birthed. Sorry, I've got a little bit of artificial sinew that I didn't trim off here, and I just need to fish it out, because if we leave that in, it's going to vibrate against the skin. I will trim that off though. So let's have a little play. I'm going to play with a soft beater and a slightly firmer beater. Both give a slightly different sound. Either one or both of these would be available as an option to buy at checkout if you decide this is the drum for you. So let's have a little play. This is the firmer beater. Okay, I'm just finding the softer beater. Here we go. Gorgeous. Okay, well, I hope you find this this video helpful and useful. It's give you an insight into what the drum sounds like. It's very difficult buying online, I do appreciate. So that's why we make these little videos. So yeah, I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.